So what we learned last week, common difference, okay, number 2, square numbers. So for square numbers, this one we can see is actually why we call it square number, because here is 1 square, 2 square follow okay, then 3 square followed by 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, blah blah blah, right? The number pattern for this one we know is this presentation. So when we put Tn, this is general term. Formula is n squared, right? Now, and yesterday last lesson, I showed you all this number pattern. Pattern 2. If today people start at 9, 16, 25, so basically what happened was initially start with 1, the first term here is 1. Now, when you sub in n equal 1, you must immediately jump to the third term. Hence, you skip by how many? You skip by 2. Hence, the number pattern for this one, what is it? N plus 2. So you skip by 2, you plus 2. Okay? So let's try. If today my number pattern today is this. Okay? 25, 26, 49. What is the general term today? Do it now. Okay. So for square numbers, initially we start with 1, right? So now instead of starting with 1, where do you start? You start with 25 here. So how many terms did you skip? 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Skip 4 terms already. So what must your answer be? And the number of terms you skip, you add in. Okay, so now we can check. If I want to find this, I must sub in n equal 1. When I sub in n equal 1 into this formula, I must get 25. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 squared, 25. Understand, class? Okay. Can we have another practice? This is the last time, for this question. After I'm moving on to another set of unique question already. So, I'm going to start with very quickly. Give me answer. Write down. N plus 1. Did all of you get n plus 1? Very good. We are now moving on to another different pattern. Okay, so same thing, I'm going to tap on this. Okay, and you see how I manipulate. So, pattern 5. I want a general term now. Is sorry, minus 1. Can we see that? Can we see the difference? Can we see the difference now, class? Over here, you are dealing with skipping of terms. You actually skip some terms. But for this one, you didn't skip any term, but all the terms, the value all decreased by 1. Can you see the difference? So the format will be different. So now, basically, I've exposed to you the various ways that you can set out. Okay? Another way, okay, stand by for the other pattern. Okay, I want a pattern. Very good. So you have to tap on existing knowledge. This one, the answer is n squared plus 9. In case you're not sure, 0 change to 10, 3 change to 13, 8 change to 18. All is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. You look vertically down. Don't look horizontally now. Look vertically down. You realize that all of them is just plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. So your general term here, n squared minus 1 plus 10. Negative 1 plus 10 give you positive 9. Okay, Ken? Now, we are going to move on to this question. Okay, this one, do you all have it? 27, 64, 125. I give you 2 minutes to do this question. This is no longer square term. It will be the last type of number pattern that you have seen. I want you all to try your best, okay, and think. So don't use square. It's also not a common difference, okay? So don't bother going plus and plus and plus. No, it's not that, okay? Think.